What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode on building my dream is300. So today's episode we're actually going to be installing some new tail lights, and let's go ahead and take a look at them. So these are the ones I ordered. They are a lot crispier than the ones they already have. I'll go ahead and go over the ones it has. They're all broken and chipped up, faded and all that. But we do have a nice little surprise here too. We have a Bride Zeta 4, which I won't be installing on this episode. So let me show you the tail lights on how broken and ugly they are. So this is the left. You can see it's all chipped and broken. Thankfully from far you can't really see how hideous they are, but look at that. They're all faded, chipping way more over the past year. Let's look at the other one. This one's not so bad. This one's actually intact, but still. Let's go ahead and get the new ones on there. Okay, so let's go ahead and put them on. The first thing you want to do is just lift the trunk, and then there's just going to be two tabs here, and it should pop off. And the good thing with these tail lights is that they're all plug and play, thankfully, because I don't know anything about wiring, even if it's super simple. But for the little ones, this one, it's also plug and play, which all you have to do is just lift the cover right there on the trunk, and then there's also, it should just bolt right in. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that I took off the old one, I'm gonna go ahead and install this one. And you can see it has a ballast right here too. And you can get these online. It was probably like, I think like around $330 or like $350-ish bucks. But the cool thing is that the back part, you can just stick it to somewhere in here. That way it's not moving around. But I wouldn't put it on the bumper, maybe like on the chassis itself. And then again, this one's also just all plug and play. So let's go ahead and get to it. Yeah, that looks so much better. A lot cleaner too. You can actually see the lights. I'm gonna miss these circle, the classic circle lights. But I don't know. I might keep the housing actually, and like all this silver stuff. I might just get like a brand new like housing for it, but I might just like sand down the chrome and just paint it white, because I want it to match with my, like, because the plans for the car to wrap it white or paint it white, but kind of I'm also going to miss the classic circle lights, so I might just sand them down like I said and then just paint them white. But I don't know, we'll see, because so far, damn, these look beautiful. But let's go ahead and get started on the rest of them. Okay, so I finished the tail lights, and these were basically as simple as these, just all plug and play, super simple. It's just one bolt for everything. Same with these, but man, they look so much better. Let me go ahead and turn on the lights. Yeah, the LEDs look so much better than the stock ones. But I still can't get over that classic circle tail light, so I don't know. I don't know what I want. But these look amazing though. I'm very happy with the purchase. And pretty soon we're going to be going with a wider fender. These are only 30 millimeters, and it tucks, but it's okay. But the ones I got are a little wider, 50, so it'll increase by 20, so it'll sit a lot lower. And it also comes with side skirts, and I got these from Monster Service. One accessory I forgot to mention that I got is something from Import Bible. It's called a Melody Box. Pretty sure you've heard of it. If not, then it's a nice little touch. And every time I start my car, this happens. Powered by Lexus. Not sure if you were able to hear that, but it's a nice little touch. And that is it for today's YouTube. Thank you for tuning in, and stick around for the next episode, because next time I'll be installing those Bride Zeta 4s in red. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and follow the IG if you haven't already. Peace out, guys.